Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Me say, one piece of attack claps in a parliament, my wisdom warriors. Uno ever notice, anytime Mark Golden for stand up and talk, Juliet Holness always step down. And then the deputy house speaker, Hero Clark, always go up. If anybody ever noticed that? Anybody ever noticed that? Since this happened, I wouldn't say like maybe about 3 months ago, I really noticed what is going on. I don't understand why this lady is house speaker. This lady being a house speaker is conflict of interest. Is conflict of interest. You understand me? All Hero Clark in a House of Parliament a run off him mouth, my wisdom warriors. This is why they get the mic for control the opposition side in the parliament. Anytime the opposition them fi get up and talk, and if them no want hear it, them lock off microphone. What kind of stupidness is this? What kind of stupidness is this? The opposition is there to oppose. So through them no want hear nothing. Them start a off and a puff like they want blow the house down. My wisdom warriors, Mark Golden have to walk out of parliament. Mark Golden and the rest of his team them, they all have to walk out of parliament. They all have to walk out of parliament. Because this boy, you see the same deputy house speaker, Hero Clark, Mark Golden send lawsuit pan him, you know. You know that? Mark Golden have filed lawsuit pan Hero Clark. So when you hear Hero Clark loud, Hero Clark take things personal. That's why I'm always a shout. When always get up and a shout and a bully people. That not go nowhere. Because the whole world says you a thief. And you want drag. This, you see all this what Andrew wants to do about judicial review. They don't want to know about the 7th thief. Me telling you something. You see if PNP was part of this. You see if PNP was part of the illicit 8, my wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness administration would have not pressure the IC. You hear me telling you? Andrew Holness administration would be out here. They would be out here pressuring the IC if you hurry up. Me I tell you no. The PNP is not a part of this. Everything where you see Andrew Holness do, yeah, Andrew fighting a losing battle. Because everything where I do, I go backfire upon him. Because God see and know that Mark Golden is an honest man. And Mark Golden is the only one standing up for the people. The real government in Jamaica is the PNP. The real government. Nothing you don't realize. The real government in Jamaica is PNP. The JLP, them are business people. Me tell you that. It's a money-making thing in the pan. Business them do. Andrew Holness and his wife is a business people. That's why his wife is a real estate developer. That's why his wife is an estate developer. That's why you see them a bill. Then a bill. Then a bill for Jamaican people. Then just a bill. Because them a top contractor and then get the money and the money a stay within the family. I want to use on the head Jamaica and do critical thinking. You understand? Then no matter what them bill, if no, them bill and no equipment not in there, no resources not in there. What's the point of building? I tell you no, it only benefit them. Anyway, let me get into this because I tell you no say, Hero Clark really upset me. Dirty Pernell Charles when I know nothing. Dirty Pernell Charles, nasty mouth Pernell Charles, we don't know shit. Don't know a head from him foot, come out and a chat rubbish. Mighty God of Daniel, my wisdom warriors, hear this.
Please excuse me one moment.
Oh.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see what just happened? Wanna see what Juliet do? And first she do it. Anytime she notice a Mark Golding I go talk, she's the house speaker. And anytime she notice Mark Golding I go talk, she always a excuse. Me I tell you now, a lot of time she done this. A lot of time. What kind of people? These type of people are represent us. Why? Why we allow this type of tigger to represent us, Jamaican people? Come on. Seriously. Me tell you, say this woman, she being a house speaker is conflict of interest. She need to step down. Every time Mark Golding for talk, she always excuse herself. She don't want nothing with Mark Golding. Mark Golding no come there, no Juliet for look friend from you know. And true because Mark Golding expose the truth and make it Jamaican people them know what gone. The whole out of vex. The whole out of vex.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, whereas there is a ministerial code of conduct in place from 2002 that governs the conduct of members of the cabinet, and whereas the Prime Minister did not inform the people of Jamaica that he was being investigated by the integrity...
Member, please.
So, you see how he right clock out order. Mark Golding stand up and I read out the emotion. And I read out when I read out. You see how him out order, he must stop Mark Golding for make dirty Perennial Charles them chat. You see how them feisty? You see how them feisty? My wisdom warriors, me I tell you, say man, these people all need to resign. Every single one of them need to lift up from outer House of Parliament. Them go on like say, them run Jamaica. Them go on like say, them run Jamaica. You understand? And them not run Jamaica. We the Jamaican people run Jamaica. Not uno. And we put uno on the day to the day if you uno come hype. But my wisdom warriors, me go elaborate more. But listen to what Mark Golding has said. Just look and see what is going on.
I don't even need to hear another word. If the member in any way intends to go down a road that is, you can't understand if you don't listen. Permit yourself to use your ears and not your mouth. Permit yourself to use your ears and not only your mouth. If it is that the member intends to travel down a road that is going to breach the standing orders in raising matters, let me just say it before, that are sub judice. Hold on, I'm just telling you, that cannot be accommodated in this house. So if that is the route.
Okay, so this is a planting. So Una Andrew Owenless plan to bring this to courthouse and then the opposition leader no to talk about this here. Okay, I see. How Una so be fierce. How Una wants to be fierce and out of order. So Una plan up to bring this guy court. So the opposition leader and the PNP team no to talk nothing about this. Who said that? Who said that? Who the hell is you, Perennial Charles? You tell people to stop use their mouth, not use their ears. Why you not stop chat? How you love chat, sir? And that me not understand. Who the hell you think you is? Who the hell you think you is? This is the whole reason why we want Mark Golding to keep his own Parliament. Yes, this is the whole reason everybody want Mark Golding to keep his own Parliament. Because through Mark Golding expose them dirty, thieving lifestyle. It has stressed them out. It has bite them up, my wisdom warriors. Who the hell you think you is? Since as you know want Mark Golding talk, I don't blame Mark Golding them. Walk out, of course. But my wisdom warriors, take in more.
If that is the intention, that is the intention. If that is the intention, stop now.
Member, you start on a premise. And as far as the standing order is concerned, I hear the first part of where you're going and section 20, public business, 22, sorry, notion of motion, amendment and manner of giving notice, section 3. If the speaker is of the opinion that any notice of a motion which has been received by the clerk infringe the provisions of any standing order in any way out of order, he may direct that the member concerned be informed that the notice of motion is out of order, that the notice of motion be entered in the order paper with such alteration as he might direct. Member, I am saying, because there is, when I read from the Erskine May Parliamentary Practice, paragraph 2, page 333, matters awaiting judicial decisions, that the motion relates to a matter that is now before the court, and if it is, because there is a matter now under judicial consideration, it ought not to be discussed as it is sub judice. At this time, I am now ruling that this motion will not be entertained.
So my wisdom warriors, you know see what them do? All of this is just Lord Jesus. You know see how other day Andrew want to stand up and make a statement. And then when he make the statement now, yeah, I'm not going for talk. Then I want Mark going for talk. Now he run, go and bring case in front of judice. That not have nothing to do with Parliament. That is between Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, and the IC. That have nothing to do with Parliament. So it is a planting. It is a planting, my wisdom warriors, because they don't want the opposition to talk about it. It is a planting. And this Jamaica Labour Party, me are telling the Jamaican people, that party is a destruction party. And it a go wreck Jamaica. And uno same Labour right. I go sorry. Because you see uno easily forget what Andrew Holness do in the pandemic. Uno easily forget uno Labour right. Me know so uno no sense. This man a go wreck the whole of Jamaica Labour Party. A go mash up Jamaica. Them a go mash up Jamaica. And me a go tell you no man. Me a tell you no. We a go feel it the hard way. And Jamaica uno for rise up. Uno for rise up. PNP uno for run out. Go protest. Uno have to back on the leader, you know. Uno have to back on the leader, brother. And what do you know? My wisdom warriors right now, I'm just pissed. Me a telling you straight. I'm just pissed right now at this minute. Because the way how them a behave, it is uncalled for. So Andrew Holness plan, bring this in a judicial for review. After I figure no say my thief for money. What a wicked man. I don't want PNP to talk about it. That little shit.
Member, if the I just made the I am saying to you, member, if it has anything to do with the matter that I just spoke about, then I'm ruling it out of order. We are not going to entertain it.
Yes, thank you.
No, we don't have to hear it. And if I am going to stop you again if you go down that road.
Mr. Speaker, you've indicated this matter is sub judice. I'm not aware of that. However, what this motion engages is simply a matter
we are not
of a breach
member,
of the ministerial code of conduct
we are not
by the Prime Minister. That is not a matter.
Member, there's
So my wisdom warriors, una hear Eli Clark. Una hear Eli Clark. They don't want the opposition leader to speak and then turn off his mic. Andrew Holness do this, you know. Them plan this for a long time. Talk about microphone now work. Just because they want to bring in the one for control the house. Them tell lie how microphone is not working, my wisdom warriors. And bring in a microphone where them can control. You understand? These people are control freak. We need to get them out of power. We need to get the Jamaica Labour Party out of power. They want to dictate to people. They don't want the opposition to stand up and oppose. They don't want Mark Golding to talk. And then plan this. But I don't see on the Jamaican people, me telling you no. You see, if you don't rise up, if you it come like you don't see what go on, brother. You see, if you don't rise up, we are going to feel it. So them decide to bring this sitting in front of court. Yeah? And if you're going to bring something in front of court, yeah? If you're going to bring something in front of court, it doesn't have nothing to do with Parliament. It doesn't have to, you are bring IC to court. And never they bring Mark Golding to court.
Members, I'm not so sure why you're descending to such loud discussions. I believe... Go ahead, member.
My wisdom warriors, I'm glad how the PNP walk out. Because me tell you about the Jamaica Labour Party, I loudmouth them. And I saw them supporters stay. The whole of them are loudmouth. Then chat pure shit. You understand me? That's all them like to do. Dictate to people. And it can't work so. So since you know want Mark Golding to explain himself, and Mark Golding not to talk pan this matter, might as well alone do no Parliament. Might as well. And let me tell you something. Eli Clark should even, me tell you, I don't understand why Juliet Holness always a move when Mark Golding for talk. She always a get up. What kind of nonsense is this? Eli Clark shouldn't even do nothing. You understand? Because Mark Golding filed a lawsuit upon Eli Clark, you know. You understand me? So no know say Eli Clark I carry feelings. We all know that. We don't want the opposition leader to speak. But let me tell you something. Are the opposition leader are the only one, the PNP team, the whole of them, are the only persons standing up for the Jamaican people. The whole of them are criminal and thief. The whole of them in the Jamaica Labour Party. Who are a rapist, who are a child molester, listen, one of the things that we are fool, boy, yeah? The Jamaican people is no fool. The Jamaican people is no fool. All uno do are buy out people. Uno see? So when people really come support uno, and I support uno from their heart, you know, I just show uno buy them out. PNP is not like that. I'm glad how Mark Golding get up. I wish he did go outside, go continue with it. And Mark Golding, don't make these people cow you down. Don't make them call you down. You see this what them do, my wisdom warriors? Them a delay the 17th. Wanna hear me? Them a delay the 17th. And that them a do. But you tell me what you think and tell me how you feel about this. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Blessings upon blessings. One love.